Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you some of the 3D print designs I have created, as well as how you can do it yourself with just a computer. First up, we have a cool optical illusion you can customize with any text. We'll use the text function in Tinkercad. We'll start off by typing the two sets of text into the text function in Tinkercad, then positioning them at a 90-degree angle. Make the text hollow and place a cuboid over them so the text can be cut into a cuboid to form a mold. Make both of them hollow and cut into another cuboid. At this point, we already have the illusion, but we can make it more elegant since some parts are overlapped. I'll show you what I mean. In this configuration, on one side there's 3 blocks and on the other side there's 4. If we remove the middle blocks, the illusion still holds. Same with this configuration. How I decide what to cut out is based on the diagonal, because it will be more compact and you can put it on a rectangular support block. I also try to remove the letters with overhang, since it creates more problems for the printer. Now we have the perfect customizable illusion, and here's how it looks like after it is printed out. Next up, we have a rather simple yet mind-bending illusion you can easily create in Tinkercad. I created 4 cuboids with sides of 3, 3, and 20. Overlaid them on each other, then offset 2 of the sides for 6 mm. I group the cuboids together, then duplicate the shape and connect the ends like this. Repeating this 6 times will connect back to the first phase. And then we have this mind-blowing quote-unquote cube, which is just a square loop. Last but not least, there's this spiral cone fidget toy. I saw this design online, and here's how to create it. On the front plane, sketch a triangle with a line in the middle. Revolve it to create a cone. We'll duplicate this cone for later. On the bottom, draw a sketch of a smaller circle and these construction lines. For this angle, you can set it to 360 divided by 2 divided by the number of twists. I'll do 6, so it's 30. Create these lines, then mirror it. Sweep the profile along the center line with a twist angle of 360 degrees. Pattern the last action for however many twists you like. Then we can get the base. Now we have finished creating one part of the illusion. Using this base, we can cut into the other cone, and be sure to keep the tools. Finally, we just have to offset the inner module's face by 0.4 mm and chamfer both objects at the bottom. Now we have this 3D printed spiral cone fidget toy, which looks much cooler in real life than video. That's it for this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and peace.